I'm going to show you how to connect an Android phone to a computer. I'm doing this for my wife because she wants to do this right now and she's not here. So I'm going to have to make this video for her, post it, and then send her the link. So we're going into Control Panel and we're going to Devices and Printers. I'm going to plug the USB cable into my phone and we'll see it pop up here in just 1 second. And there's a little pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner. And now we see it show up as this icon. So it kind of looks like an iPod. It says the letters MTP. So what you want to do is right-click on it, choose Browse Files, and click on the device. You can also try double-clicking as well, depends on the device. Now, what's supposed to happen on your phone is, and I can't show it to you here, is your phone is supposed to pop up and say, hey, is it okay to share with this particular computer? So, of course, you want to say to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do that right now. It says use USB for file transfer. I click yes. As soon as I do that, I'll click on this box and choose Open Device to View Files. And now it's showing up as a hard drive. Doesn't have a drive letter, but it's definitely there. Now, if you go to Pictures, sometimes you'll see pictures depending on the way that the phone stores it, and sometimes you won't. Sometimes you have to go into another folder, like DCIM. And we'll go to Camera, and there we see some pictures. Now you can simply select the pictures, copy them to your hard drive, and delete them from the phone if you want when you're all done. So that is how you connect an Android device to your Windows 10 computer and be able to open it on your computer.